Well, hello YouTube friends and fans. We're going to work on installing a water heater. Most people don't buy their plumbing supplies off Amazon. Same price as the local place, as far as I can find. Let's get started. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Got a push to fit connection, so I'll just cut this, slide it on, and the only shut-off valve I've got is the one for the whole house. So we're going to take and add that shut-off valve right here, and we're going to put the proper drain line in here. If you notice, there's no pan, got that as well. So hopefully this all fits. We'll test it out on the water heater we got. So here's the new water heater. Let's see. That fits there. Excellent, excellent. Gotta shorten this guy up here by several inches. That'll work. And here's the new pan. The old drain hole, we're going to hook that drain up and we're going to run it through the floor because that's what's needed. Well, let's see what happened there. I guess be a future project fixing this guy. Got pieces of the rubber. That ought to be fun. Well, find a different way to cut it. Take two. That should do it. That'll work. So day two here. I had to stop last night because I didn't have pipe to reinstall the gas line. We do today. That's good. Got all the water out. Cut that up high intentionally. Now we're going to take the sawzall and cut them off here, just so it's less to hit as we're carrying it out. this door.
Yeah, I know. I dropped something. I'm trying to find it. Smells like onions out here.
Imagine that.
Where's the cart?
What cart?
Go get the valley.
Now that it's out, take the fitting off. Couldn't budge it with the wrench, try the impact. That's not so good. Up next, we'll put a little pipe dope on this, thread it back in. Oh, that's great. Ian, go get me a rag. Not much, putting the pan in. Oh, it just barely fits.
Yeah, barely.
It's in. Not really, but it's in. Got a little gauge here so I know how far this slip-on shark bite goes on. We're just gonna mark it for visual reference. Better safe than sorry. Should have cold water here. So far, whoa! Eek, eek. Hey, we're gonna shut the valve off in the bathroom. Never mind, don't worry about it. Success. And last but not least, we're going to do a draft test to make sure we ain't killing ourselves. good from here. Alrighty friends, thanks for watching. Hope you hit that subscribe and like, comment, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Next level.